My name is Mike Green and I'm excited to tell you about Commercial Drone Training's new online A2 CofC training course. The course consists of the following: over 2 hours of simple and concise online tuition using video and presentation techniques, your own online course summary page guiding and tracking your progress through the steps to complete your A2 CofC, an amendable drone setup checklist and emergency procedures, a flight guide so you can quickly and efficiently complete the log and mandatory self-taught flight practice maneuvers, flight planning, site survey and risk assessment online video tutorials, a 56-question mock exam with instant feedback giving you the confidence to excel in the official ground school exam, ongoing online support and advice related to your future commercial operations, and massive loyalty discounts if you go on to book the online GVC course through us. Commercial Drone Training have been a registered training and examination organisation for over 5 years. Being one of the longest serving CAA examiner organisations, we have built up thousands of success stories. The A2 CofC online course is designed for non-aviation professionals with simple and clear tuition. Click on the link below to start your online A2 CofC course now.